Good day, my future employer. My name is Levitan Cortez, 39 years old, married, and I am from the Philippines. I have two kids, ages 18 years old, 16 years old, and I have granddaughter for my 18-year-old son. I have working experience here in Philippines. I took care of a 1-year-old boy and 2 years old boy. My daily routine are cleaning the house, cooking, marketing, washing the car, changing diaper, and help them to take a bath and eat. Also in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 4 months, I took care of one infant boy and 4 years old girl. Help them to take a bath, eating, changing diaper. I do cooking also, ironing, washing clothes. Also in Hong Kong, I took care of 4 years old girl. I bring her in the school and pick up also. I do washing, cooking, ironing, and cleaning the house. Also in Qatar for 3 years. I took care of 4 years boy, 7 years old girl, 9 years old girl, and 11 years old boy. My daily routine there are cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, washing clothes, and I help them also. If you choose me, ma'am and sir, I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you. Hope to see you, mom and sir, in Turkey.